sound?
Yes, yes.
Huh? Ah. Take your comfortable position, as comfortable as possible. Just be listening to the Om, the vibration, the vibrational Om, the soundless vibration. At the same time, try to focus on your breathing, inhaling as well as exhaling. The more you focus on your breathing, your thoughts slowly disappear. Perhaps you become thought free. This is a wonderful state. To be thought free is you are almost in touch with Paramatma as you are in deep sleep. He envelops your entire being. You keep your normal breathing, no extraordinary efforts required, no deliberate attempts to do anything and all. Just be what you are, wherever you are, as comfortable as we enjoy, like a children. Be gay, abandon, because just you are in the custody of the Paramatma. All your nerve nodes slowly will be getting energized. They will be sending the charge with a positive energy across your body. You don't have to be a stiff and straight. Even if there is a movement in the body, let it be. The point is, you should be comfortable. Once you feel the warmth of the air, when it goes out, you are very much in sync. You will be fully tuned up. Your antenna will be absolutely perfect to receive the vibration. The Om will be in harmony with your entire life force. Your bodily will be perfect. This will resonate, giving everyone a childlike energy, bubbling. Slowly focus on your heart. Let it radiate happiness all around the body. Take up both your hands to your heart. Keep it close. Feel the wonderful radiance. Spreading all through your body. This will cause an invisible smile on your face too. With the gratitude for whatever we got in our life, thanking the primordial power, let's take our hands, wonderful hands, slowly to our eyes, closed eyes, and feel the warmth of it. All of us should feel rejuvenated. Now you can slowly take your hands off. When you are comfortable, try to open the eye as slowly as possible. Without any effort. As it is, let it open itself. Don't give any force. You will be carrying the bliss all through. Your eyes will also be having rejuvenation. as if you are out of a deep sleep. So once you are comfortable, you can just rub off your eyes if you not to be having any discomfort. So this is a wonderful Om. This we have done much earlier. It is 417 hertz. To be in perfect health and perfect frame of mind. Today, if you have got a very important work, you can do as soon as possible when you are still having that feel. And it will all be going great. And then you will be radiating, your energy to your family also. I think you will get a smile without you telling anything and all. That will be the biggest gift you will be getting, and you will have to offer smile back. So wonderful. I think hope you enjoyed this. I think now your family should enjoy your radiance. So we leave it at that, in the dining table. Thank you everyone. I think it's a very small. I think this is again which I got just to get this particular vibration. I thought I will share it. So thank you once again. We will. Anything, Prabhuda? Anything you would like to?
Nothing in particular.
Because you will find a difference in meditation. What Vidya does, she does with the pure music.
Okay.
Because we are concentrating on Om, and Om also should be recited rather in a limited way, because Omkara with Grahasthas should not be doing it. So we are trying to limit it. Whereas what she is doing it is exactly because to bring you out of any stress situation, any diseases also. And I think they have found, they have proven. In fact, I think she is also going to undertake a research as to, she has already been roped in for that, and she will be doing how it exactly cures. And a lot of people have come out of the cure and they have shared it also. And I think it is that 15 minutes meditation will be a wonderful healing. You don't perhaps won't be needing any medication as well. And what we will be doing, Om will also sort of elevate you to a level where you can take it, and both of them will work wonderfully well for all of us. Sarvo Bhavantu Sukhinaha. With this, we will be concluding today's session. Sahana Vavatu, Sahanau Bhunaktu, Sahaviryam Karavavahaihi, Tejasvinavaditamastu ma Vishvidavahaihi. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you. See you next week. All the best. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Padmanabhan sir. Thank you, Krishnan sir. Thank you.
Ramchandran, background.
Yes, Prabhuda, I missed you. You were telling something.
No, the background you have set up is nice. So,
Now, henceforth, this will be the background. Because we are all some tiny tots in front of them. They have to inspire,
no, because it brings you the environment.
Correct.
It reduces the distraction.
Absolutely.
Okay. All the best.
Thank you.
Sir, actually, one question I have.
Yeah.
See, Ramatirtha, you are saying, which mutt actually it is?
Ramatirtha, see, actually, it is Narasimha Upasana is the Subramanya Mutt, they say. But it is, there's a lot of confusion in that. See, Bannanjay Govindacharya, he had his own derivation, because Bannanjay Govindacharya has gone through the original documents of all Madhva Granthas, because they were all recorded by one Hrishikesha Tirtha. Hrishikesha Tirtha is associated with Adamar Mutt or Palimar Mutt, I don't know, one of them. he has written it. All those things were written in Tulu Lipi.
Okay.
Tulu Lipi is convenient to write in the palm leaf. It will all have rounding, no straight. Because in a palm leaf, if you write straight and all, it will cut. So the Tulu Lipi, they have written the Sanskrit. It is Hrishikesha Tirtha who has recorded everything. Sri Bannande Govindacharya has done research of the all manuscripts of Hrishikesha Tirtha, and he has brought this out. But Ramatirtha is very unique. I think that Narasimha, because next time when I go to Udupi, I want to get full details of it. In the meanwhile, if I get it, I will share it with you also, because for our own information. It's a great Upasana. It's a great Upasana.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Tell me, Prabhuda. Tell me, Prabhuda. Prabhuda, I am back. You were telling me something. Prabhu has left? No, he was there.
I think he's left.
Okay. Okay then. See you next week.
Okay then. Bye.
ఉంటామన్నా నీ తెచ్చుంటే